Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how to check compression for flange. We already checked the bending for flange and the bending for web. Now we are going to check compression for flange. As you already know, we need Eurocode 3 design of steel structures PDF. Please open this PDF and turn to page 43. In page 43, there is a table name, table 5.2, sheet 2. And here you can see outstand flanges. In this table you can find this column called part subjected to compression. So in this calculation we are going to use this column which is part subjected to compression column. If you recall previous lessons, we used this column before. For which lesson we used this column? We used this column in the video which is bending check for flange. Remember, in that video also I told you this. We use this column for both compression check and bending check. So now we are going to do compression check for flange. But we have to do the same calculation. Therefore, I am not going to do it again because I already did this part. If you don't know how to calculate these values, please watch part 2 video in the description. In that video, I explain each and every details of this calculation. I will briefly go through this. So we found C over T ratio, it is equals to 3.68. Then I found epsilon value, it is 0.94. Then I have to find 9 times epsilon value. So 9 epsilon equals 8.46. So 3.68 is less than 8.46. That means C over T ratio is less than 9 epsilon. So that means class 1 condition is satisfied. So we can say flange class is class 1 plastic. So that's it for this video. In next video we will see how to check compression for web.